Hi, I'm Aaron Pinto, student of Electrical Engineering at St. Joseph Engineering College, Mangalore, India. Welcome you to SPIE funded Education Outreach Program on Optics and Photonics. In this video, we shall understand the conversion of solar energy into different forms of energy. To develop the model, we basically use wooden switchboard as the base. Slots are made to fit the components as per application requirements. A 4-volt motor is placed below with the fan blades on the top. A 6-volt 100 milliamp solar panel is placed over the base. A 4-volt 1Ah rechargeable battery is used as an alternate power source. A red LED is used as an indicator which indicates power flow from the solar panel. Then a LED and a buzzer are placed over accordingly. Finally, the switches are placed to switch on and off the load. At the end, all the components are interconnected using wires. Here the wires are connected to the components by soldering process. We know that solar energy is universal source of energy. When the sunlight hits the solar panel, electricity is generated due to photovoltaic effect. This electricity is generally referred as DC power. The power generated is consumed by the load and power is stored in the battery. When we switch on the LED, it illuminates the surrounding, which converts electrical energy into light energy. When we switch on the buzzer, it produces sound which converts electrical energy into sound energy. When we switch on the fan, the electric motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. They are used for circulating air in rooms and buildings. Hence, we understand that energy is converted from one form to another to perform useful work. These are locally available materials used to construct this model. Thank you for watching. Hope this video was useful.